Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can complete your IMAT syllabus if you haven't completed yet, how you can complete your whole IMAT syllabus in 1 month and not just like an ordinary syllabus by reading books or anything like that. I'm going to give you a whole system, how you can get into that system and complete your IMAT syllabus with live lectures with like very super high yield concepts and then with past paper quizzes. You would have to solve all the past paper quizzes and definitely you will be getting solutions to those questions as well. And then with mock exams and then with the high yield IMAT resources with what to study in each chapter of book and then how to do your revision. But there is a thing, every weekend there will be mock exams exactly like IMAT that you are going to see in your real IMAT exam. I'm going to give you mock exam that you will have to attempt that will cover your whole syllabus of the first week that you would have studied. So this way you will not just able to cover your syllabus up, but you will eventually be able to prepare really good for your IMAT exam. Eventually you will crack it, because I had conducted this 30 days marathon to cover your syllabus previous year as well in the month of July and August. The results were astonishing. You can read all the views on the website. The link is in video description. So let's begin this. So I'm going to explain you each and everything that what you are going to get in this 30 days period, how you can prepare IMAT really good in just 1 month. So first of all, you will be given a planner. The planner is really comprehensive and planner is everything. That is designed this way. The most high weighted subject are given more preference. Biology and chemistry are more weighted subjects, so they are given more preference in the planner. In the first week, this is all about biology and chemistry. We will be studying biology and chemistry. Then in the next week, we will add logical reasoning and physics, one chapter of physics. And then in the third week, we will focus a lot about physics and mathematics. And then in the last week, in the fourth week, we will include general knowledge as well. And remember this thing, each and every lecture is going to be really comprehensive. We will move on to lecture part later. So first step, you are going to get a planner that will be designed for 4 weeks. The planner is designed in this way. Every 6 days a week, you will be studying, taking lectures, preparing from books and everything that I will be telling you in like subsequent step. But on the 7th day, you will have to attempt mock exam that will be covering your whole week syllabus. So we will move on to that part later. So the second step is every morning you will be given a 30 minutes toddler session. So every morning I will come live and I will tell you what you need to study in this specific chapter today, because we are going to cover this chapter from the planner. This is the chapter written in the planner. So we are going to cover this. What are the table of content? What you need to study in this chapter? So I'm going to explain to you in that 30-minute session. And then I'm going to tell you which book you should be studying and from where you should be studying. Okay, that's all. That makes sense. After that, what are the high yield points or topics asked from this specific chapter? So I'm going to illustrate to you that, because I have analyzed all the past papers, so I know what they were asking, so what they can be asking in future. Now that's done. And then I will tell you to do pre-reading before our lecture. That will obviously take place in the evening. That will be third step. But again, I will give you in this 30-minute session a past paper quiz. From the specific chapter, I will pick all the past paper questions specifically asked from this chapter. I will give you the questions presented in a form of a well-organized quiz from the website. You will have to attempt that because you will get an overview of what they ask. So you will have a proper knowledge even before the lecture. So now the third step would be you will be taking a 2 hours live lecture from that chapter. Okay, in evening there will be 2 hours really comprehensive conceptual lecture about the specific chapter that is written in the planner. We will do a live comprehensive lecture that will be highly conceptual based and that will be really good. Believe me, past students who have taken this course, they have outperformed in the exam and they said the lectures were amazing. My way of teaching was amazing because I love teaching. And this lecture will be kind of review. This won't be a comprehensive one. So I will be like really fast and you will have to cope with that. But again, you will be given each and every concept that you need for your exam. But if you are looking for the most detailed version, then you can check out the video below in the description that have got detailed lectures, but I won't recommend if you are covering your syllabus in the span of 1 month. Okay, then at the end of the lecture, I will solve the past paper quiz that I have given you in the morning in the toddler session. Now I will attempt those questions, so you will get to know where you went wrong and why you didn't solve this question right and why you lost marks. So you will get the strategy because you will be attempting a lecture, and I hope that will be clearing all your concepts and you will be so fresh after the lecture, and because you would have done pre-reading in the after the toddler session and now you have took the lecture, so now you will be really good. Now, after the third step, the lecture, the fourth step would be power half hour. Now, in this power half hour, this will be questions and answer session that will take place at night, where you can ask all your questions. If you have got any, you can ask your questions and you will get answered. And if you are facing any hurdle, like starting your preparation, or if you are facing like I didn't get this concept, or I didn't get this, if there is any additional resource I can utilize, you will be given in that live power half hour session. So like you can become a beast version of yourself after getting into the power half hour, and you can discuss all your queries, all your questions. So this won't be just a Q&A session. This would be kind of feedback, one-on-one interaction and discussion. And this won't be just a resource for your interaction. There will be a Discord community where all the sessions, where every single thing will be managed. But again, remember this thing, you will be given an access to LMS. There will be account created on the website portal from where you can access all the live lecture links, because every day there will be a link posted there. You just have to get into the LMS and just get the date. Today is this date that we will be studying, and you will just click on that link and you will get into the lecture. When that there will be time of power half hour, you can just click on the link through the LMS and you will be into the power half hour. So this will be like very easy, simple, and really good and comprehensive process. And remember this thing, this is going to be really cheapest. And then additionally, there will be Discord community for your student interaction. You can do discussions, your practice questions, every single thing. And now there comes the resources part. So you will be given each and every resources. With every lecture, there will be notes. You will be given notes, and then you will be given all the books that you need to prepare, because I have got some really high yield books, not the specific one you are following, the one that you haven't discovered yet. There will be practice question bank that you will have to solve to get into that position where you can score really good marks. Now the most important part, there will be mock exam every weekend. So now there will be 6 days a week where you will be taking lecture, where you will be studying that way I explained with the 4 steps. Then on every Sunday, you will have to revise every single that we studied in previous 6 days. You will have to revise each and everything. Then in the evening, as per decided time, you will just have to log into your LMS, and there will be mock exam due, and you will have to just attempt that. And isn't that really cool? And what will happen after attempting your mock exam? You will get into a discussion. You will have a discussion and you will get to know what questions you marked right and what went wrong. And additionally, there will be how to practice questions and how you can do that. So now that was everything that you are going to get in this 30-day period to cover up your whole syllabus. And remember this thing, this is going to be so great that you cannot even believe. If you are struggling that how I can complete my syllabus, if you are at this phase, then I would 100% suggest you just go and sign up for this, and you can absolutely smash your exam. But remember this thing. So I'm going to conduct this course for 2 months. First one would be in July, from 1st July to 30th July. You can sign up in the mid as well, because all the sessions will be recorded and it will be given to you. And second cohort or second batch will start from 1st August. So whatever is your availability or whatever you want to join, you can join. Remember this thing, if you have completed your syllabus and you kind of need revision, this is absolutely gem, or absolutely like a really conceptual or comprehensive thing that you can ever get to complete your syllabus. This will not just boost your concept, this will help you to crack your exam in a really good way. And now you might have a question, how can I sign up for this? First thing first, just there will be a link in the video description where you can go. There will be July session, there will be August session, whatever you want, you can sign up for that. Just click on that link, and you can just click on the July session, or if you want in the August session, you will be in waiting list up till August, and you will get all the confirmation email, and when classes will start and when you will be added to communities and everything, you will get all the details via your email. So if you face any issue, you can just simply text at iSamiKamar or on Instagram, or you can just email me sami@samikamar.com. And enrolling for this live course is not hard. It's not hard. Just go to the website, the link provided. If you want in July, just click on the July link, and it will ask you to check out. There will be payment gateways that you can use, and if you need local payment gateways, you can just simply text me on Instagram, or you can just write me an email at sami@samikamar. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can straightforward DM me on Instagram, iSamiKamar, or you can eventually post in the comment box as well. I can guarantee you, if you haven't yet started and if you are really I need to crack this exam, then this is the right course for you. And if you are looking for a really comprehensive crash course, then I have got that, where you will be going to get 150 hours of lecture, 500 plus lectures. And remember this thing, everything is with money back guarantee. There is nothing like that. So if you have anything, you can straightforwardly ask me. I hope you enjoyed. So you can check out this video for crash course and this one for whole blueprint for how to prepare for IMAT. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like this video if you haven't yet, and sub to my channel would be wonderful. So see you in next video. Till bye bye.